Here's a new 2018 GMC Sierra 1500. Comfort, convenience, power, and performance. For most trucks, these are ideals. For this truck, it's an undeniable reality. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. V8 engine, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, external memory control, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, express open sliding and tilting sunroof, magnetic fluid-filled rear shocks, configurable instrument gauges, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. GMC, professional-grade vehicle suited to fit your needs. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Since 1967, Royal Moore has delivered the best service, the best experience, and the best selection. Call, click, or stop in today.